friends, how are you? So welcome to my channel IG Tech Team. So in this video we will learn about audio extraction in Python. So how can we convert our text into speech or audio, and how can we generate female voice or male voice? So we have several methods. So first one is GTTS, Google Text to Speech, and it will generate female voice. And first of all you have to install this package. So for this you can write pip install GTTS. You can install this package using pip, and you have to import this package. So from GTTS you have to import G, capital T and capital S. Also let me import OS. Now suppose this is my text, welcome to my channel IG Tech Team. So this is my text. Now I want to convert this text into speech or audio. So I have to pass this inside GTTS, and let me assign this into speech. Okay. Now I can also save this audio, and for this I have to write speech.save and my file name. Suppose let me write welcome, and this is audio file, so I have to write mp3. Shift enter. And now in my same folder now I have welcome.mp3 file. I can also open this file from this folder also, but let me write my code to open that audio file. So I can use this os.system. I can write inside quotation mark either single or double. I can write start and my mp3 file name welcome.mp3. Now when I execute this shell, it will open my music player and it will pronunciate this speech. So let me execute this shell. So you can see here, this is my music player.
Welcome to my channel IG Tech Team.
So in this way you can convert your text into speech. But if you want to play your audio file without opening music player, then you can use a play sound live package, and for this you have to first install pip install. You have to install play sound, and to import play sound you have to write from play sound import play sound, and then you can write play sound. You have to pass your audio file name welcome.mp3. Now when I execute this shell,
Welcome to my channel IG Tech Team.
so it will not open any music player. So this is one advantage. So this is female voice. Now how to generate male voice? So for this we have another package, and that name is pyttsx3. We can generate male voice also and female voice also using this package. First of all you have to install this package pip install pyttsx3, and to import this you have to write pyttsx3, and then let me write audio equals to, first of all I have to initialize this pyttsx3, and then I have to write some property. I can change the rate and volume also. So let me write set property, and my property name is suppose rate, and I can pass some value 150. So I can pass value greater than 100 here, and let me pass 150. And also I can set my volume also, set property, and my property name is suppose volume, and now I have to pass value from 0 to 1. Let me pass 0.8, and then now I have to write message or text. So audio.say, let me write here hello friend, and I can write next text also, welcome to my channel IG Tech Team. Now first of all it will pronunciate this text, and after very few seconds of time it will generate or it will pronunciate this text. And for this I have to write audio dot run and wait. Now if I execute this cell,
Hello friend. Welcome to my channel IG Tech Team.
so this is a male voice. Also you can change the volume. If I write here 1 and if I execute this cell,
Hello friend. Welcome to my channel IG Tech Team.
so the volume get increased. Also you can generate female voice from this package. So first of all, let me copy this code, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and then I can pass here voice ID equals to, in quotation mark, I have to paste this line of text, and you can find this text from description below, so you can copy from my description. And then finally you have to write audio dot set property. You can pass voice because you want to change voice from male to female, so voice, and then you have to pass voice ID as I have already defined here. Now if I execute this cell,
Hello friend. Welcome to my channel IG Tech Team.
so this is female voice. And if I write here 200, then it will increase speed. So if I execute this cell,
Hello friend. Welcome to my channel IG Tech Team.
so this will increase speed. Or if you write here suppose 100, and if I execute this cell,
Hello friend. Welcome to my channel IG Tech Team.
so it will reduce the speed. In this way you can generate female voice from GTTS and male voice, and also female voice from PyTT SX3. If you have any question, you can comment below. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe my channel IG Tech Team, and guys, see you in the next video. Thank you.